This is YFM-800CTC Auto nylon long chain rolling machine with the computer control and tension control. Now we are going to test this machine for the number 5 nylon zipper. Now we are going to teach you how to use this machine. First of all, this is the long chain zipper, and please put the zipper into the machine according to this direction. This is the joint sensor. This is the zipper tape shortage sensor, and get through the wheel. And go to here. This is tension control system. This is the tension control sensor. Okay? If the zipper get tight, this wheel will get jump. Okay? If the zipper get tight, we have a sensor here. And then this is the bobbin. We have a bobbin auto rolling function. Okay, so first of all, please put the bobbin on, and this is the auto loading. So you need to press the auto loading. It will make automatic loading. All right, and you can put the zipper tape into the bobbin. Here has a hole, okay, and you need to turn around on the bobbin like this. All right, and you can see this is the setting. You need to reset the fault, and this is the limited. This is the left side position 1067. This is the 1067 is here, and this is the current position here. This is the right direction position is here. This is 0. We set up the 7 millimeter. Okay, so this is the distance, and you can adjust from here. And this is the current length, and this is the cumulative length. Okay, total length. So you can see now we want to work with the 30 kilo, and total will be 1,875 meters. You can change the kilo, and the length will also be changed. Okay, so now we set up 30 kilo for this bobbin. It will be changed, and this data change will be according to the setting for the net, for the weight, for the 100 meters. Now we set up the 100 meters is 1,600 grams. It means 1.6 kilo. If you change this data, also this data will be changed. Okay, and this is the tension control. This is the initial tension. We set up 400 grams. So tension increment we set up the 30 grams. Okay, the maximum tension we set up 800 grams. This tension also can be changed. The tension increment you can set up from 25 to 35 according to the real situation you need. All right, so all this data is okay, and you can see this is a target speed. It's beginning speed. We set up the 120 meters per minute. Okay, and after 50 meters, you will increase to 220. And this is the product. You can change the product by different data. Okay, here has a formula. The formula setting, you can press the password and log in, and you can set up each data for each product. Now this is nylon long chain number 5, A types. You can change to B types. You can change it to C types. You can change to tapes. Okay, every data you can change according to the formula what you want. So we can have the different data, okay, in advance for setting. So once everything is okay, and we can start the machines. So you just press the start, the machine will be auto running. And at the beginning, the speed will be a little bit slower, and then it will get faster. All right, so now the machine is going to run, and you can set up the distance you can set up from here. The traverse length 21 millimeters. It means the moving distance is 21 millimeters. So it will not press on the teeth. It will be always balanced, okay? You can see now you get the zipper tight and the machine will be stopped, right? Because of we have the tightness control sensor. All right, so once everything you control is well, you just put it down, okay? And then you can make it work again. You need to reset the fault and press the start. And it will work again. We have a tension sensor. And you can see the movement is very smooth. Now increase the speed. And also we check the real time tension. Now it's 465 grams. Okay, you can see all these tensions. And it's running now with a high speed. It's making even faster. And we use the all servo motors control. So all the controls by servo motor. So position and speed and brake are all very stable. Okay, and the tension speed will be adjusted to the real running speed. Okay, so it will be adjusted all the time. So you can see it's running very stable, and also you can see all the teeth because we have a very good piston control. And you can adjust the position of the left side and right side by real situation. So you can adjust a little bit according to the real situation. So you can see now the length is around 600 meters. Okay, so once it reach the length, it will be stopped. And this is the running speed. Okay, now we have some problem here. All right, this is the joint. So once you have a joint and you need to recover it, okay, and make it work again. You need to reset the fault and press the start, and it will be running again. And you can see the how many layers. So means how many times you have been working. So you see it's 26 layers. Okay, so you can see the data from here. We have very clear data, and even the positions data, the running data, you can see it's very clear. Until now, you can see it's running very stable with the position. And you can see the running speed is automatic adjustment. So until now you can see the distance are very stable. You can see all the teeth. Okay? And you can see all this data. Now it's reaching the quantity, 30 kilo. You can see the speed now is slower now. Now reaching the quantity. All right, so machine stopped. Okay, so we need to take the bobbin down. So now we need to cut the zipper. And you need to make it tight. Like this. Okay, so we need to unload the bobbin. So once we press the unload the bobbin will be opened and goes down, and this one will be moved, and you can take out the bobbin. Okay, like this. So above method is teaching you how to operate this machine, and we finish machinery testing. So now we need to cut the zipper. And you need to make it tight, like this. Okay, so we need to unload the bobbin. So once we press the unload the bobbin will be opened and goes down, and this one will be moved, and you can take out the bobbin. Okay, like this. So above method is teaching you how to operate this machine, and we finish machinery testing.